Okay, I'm working on an Sl600acl, and since it's an issue to get a new remote that's compatible with that, everybody not sure, not responsive. It's a Chinese slide gate operator. I'm trying to put an external receiver, which are more easy to get remote, or I can program a universal remote for that. So I was able to get it to have power and to get the gate open. The third from the right. This is an Sl600. The wire on the left is connected to the 24-volt power. The one in the middle connect to the open on the board, to this one, to the left, which on the, I think it's called the 5x or 7x. I think it's 5x. The left one is the open, and the what else? And I did a jumper between the common and the ground, and also the common goes from here, from the common over here, right over here to the right wire on the Sl600, and it opens up just fine. Now I need to decide whether I want the next button to close it or to make it close automatically.